In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Advanced Features. Now tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher at the top to activate it. Following that, tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to reduce display size with gesture or button. Wherever you decided, follow all of the use instructions below the chosen method. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To change placement of your tiny screen, you can hold this line at the top and drag it, or use this icon on the left or on the right. You can also resize your screen by holding one of its corners and dragging it. To go back to standard size screen, click on blurry area over here. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!